AI skills that will make you irreplaceable. AI will change work, but not in the way most people think. The key isn't avoiding AI. It's using it so well that you become irreplaceable. Here are the skills that matter most. Skill 1, using AI as a collaborator. AI can draft, research, organize, and produce, but humans guide the direction. Skill 2, problem framing. People who can describe a problem clearly get the best AI results. Skill 3, AI literacy. Understanding what AI can and can't do becomes essential. Skill 4, creativity. AI accelerates ideas, but originality still comes from you. Skill 5, human judgment. AI provides options, humans make decisions. Here's a simple example. 2 workers do the same job. One uses AI to generate ideas, write drafts, and automate busy work. The other doesn't. One becomes 10x faster, the other becomes replaceable. So, in simple terms, AI won't replace people, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. If you want more future of work insights, subscribe to AI Unlocked.